are decorating! Happy birthday, Ate V!
Happy birthday! Wait, I have a content.
Hey guys, it's Kashmir, and today I will be showing you the preparation process for my sister's birthday. So, it's been a few days later since her birthday, and I realized that I wasn't able to film that much for my sister's birthday because I was so busy decorating the place. I was in charge of decorating the photo shoot area or the place that you'll be usually seeing in this video. So if you want to see the preparation process of my sister's birthday mini party, then just keep on watching. Okay, so we started decorating the night before her birthday, but then we got too lazy and tired that we just continued it the next day. So it was pretty hectic the next day because we weren't prepared. It took us the whole day. So I was in charge of making the DIY flowers, and well, apparently that wasn't my only job. I was also in charge in putting the streamers and buying of the balloons. So instead of just making the DIY flowers, I ended up decorating the whole wall. But then of course with the help of Ate Juliet and Mom and Ate Evie. So we got inspiration from Pinterest, and of course that's also where we learned how to make the streamers, the DIY flowers, and other decorations that we use for the party. Some of it were actually just impromptu. We decided it last minute just to make the stage, wow, my sister's stage, very pretty. So my sister and my mom were the ones who actually conceptualized the things that were going to be implemented and executed for that day. So they were the one who decided what kind of colors, what kind of decorations they wanted. I was just the one who executed the plan. Basically, that was my job. But then my sister and my mom decided that pink and white would be a combination colors for that day because my sister's favorite color, as you can all see, is color pink. I don't think that's super obvious, right? Right. So this is what we have accomplished. Hello! So we are decorating! Happy birthday, Ate V!
Happy birthday!
Say hi.
Hi!
Or am I supposed to say hi?
Yeah, you can say that. So this is the final product of the streamers! Yay! So update, so we already finished decorating. We already made some food. I wasn't able to show you closely how we made the food just because I was busy decorating. So we're getting it. So that's our red velvet cake made by Mom. Red velvet cake. This is Mom's first cake. Okay, so for the food, we prepared spaghetti, salad, steak, and baked tahong or mussels that was prepared by my mom, Ate Juliet, and Ate Rossi because of course they're the ones who knows how to cook, not me of course. That's why I was in charge of the decorations part because that's the thing I can do. So aside from that, my mom also baked my sister a cake, and guys, it's the first time my mom baked a cake and it was actually very successful. It was a red velvet cake and I'm proud of her. They were able to make a cake in quarantine, and guys, Literally, my mom just learned how to cook in quarantine. She doesn't cook at all. And they also made punch, which I had very many memories with, and I'll tell you in a little while. So, for the decorations part of her birthday, this is what we've accomplished! TV's debut, her 20th debut. Happy birthday, Ate!
Thank
you! Okay, so this is the decoration we have.
Thank you for doing it.
So I did it, Ate Juliet did it. So we did this for how many hours? 5?
The whole day.
No, I started at 2.
Actually, we started last night. But
We had her birthday sa Lubong with her friends yesterday. So yes, you'll see it in her video, so wait for it. So check out her latest video.
yes, it's 20 things I learned in the 20 years that I've been living.
Yeah, did you learn something actually? Or is that all just be?
I learned a lot. Go watch it, guys.
Okay, go watch it.
If you wanna do it.
Guys, this is the behind the scenes of my video. To join us with the prep is my sister, who is preparing for her own birthday. Tularan yan! Oops, call in camera! Because I can't.
Oh my god, ang sarap.
Oh my gosh, can I have? Can I have? Can I? Okay, so here it goes. Why do I have so many memories with that punch that day? As you can see at the previous clip,
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
the camera fell inside the punch. I cannot even process what happened right there. I don't know what happened, guys. Okay, so this is what happened. I'm not sure what actually happened, but this is what I think happened. So I was holding the tripod, and then I saw something inside the punch, and then I was gonna show it to you guys, like with the camera. The next thing I know, the camera slid off the tripod and it fell into the punch. And the punch, we couldn't even drink it because now it's contaminated with bacteria because of the camera. It was so stressful. I'm sorry I couldn't film the parts after that wherein I was stressing out. It was so stupid. Like, why did it have to fall into the punch? So the question is, what happened to the camera? Is it still fine? Is it still okay? So the camera, believe it or not, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. And the only devastating thing that resulted from that incident is that the mic does not work anymore. Oh my god. I don't know why I'm laughing. That should be sad and devastating. But then, yeah, the camera works. Thankfully, I put it in rice. The lenses didn't get wet, so it's still okay. But then the mic is not okay. Good thing we have our other camera. But then since it does not have autofocus, so here's a blurry footage of me giving my sister her birthday gift. Okay, so this is my spontaneous birthday gift that I planned last night because I was like, what should I do for my video? I just
Seriously, wait, I have a content.
Someone told you.
When I was using the tablet, may mga friends ko. And that tablet, I know
Yeah, I
it's your
can account. That's why I can't, you know what? When I looked at it, I
No,
was
because someone messaged, Joe message, and then I checked sa messenger ko. And when I checked sa messenger, I didn't get the message naman from Joe. Tapos it said send a video.
oh Okay. So actually, I know that this gift was already going to be super spoiled because you saw it, right?
Yeah, but I don't open it.
She didn't open it. But then the thing is, last night, I didn't hint. It's just that I keep on blurting it out of my mouth that there's something that's going on. Because you know what, they had this birthday salubong yesterday. And then I was like, oh guys, alam niyo na. And then she was like, huh? Anong alam mo na?
That's the first thing.
Yeah. And I didn't know what to say. So literally, also before I slept, I didn't know. I was just like, Casey, just stop talking. And then earlier, there were just so many hints already. But then it's okay, because you'll know it. You'll find it out. Okay. So here it is. So I prepared something for Ate Evie, and this is going to be one of the gifts that I gave her, but it's not just my gift. It's also from her friends. And to see our reaction, you'll just have to watch her video. Oops. Kobe, look at the camera. This balloon is staying so strong. Wow, all the balloons already gave up. So that is all, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. So I also showed you the preparation process of my sister's birthday party, mini party that we planned here at home in quarantine. So yes, it was a very stressful and eventful birthday party, but nevertheless, it was very memorable. It was really good to spend it with your family. And happy birthday, Ate Evie! Happy birthday! You're finally 20. That is all, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I'll see you next week. Bye!